Hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. I hope everyone is doing perfectly fine. In today's video we are doing a simple and a delicious light soup. Let's get started. So for our ingredients, we have in smoked fish, salted beef and pork, and wheley. You can feel free to use any fish or meat of your choice. So for my vegetables, I have in 1 large onion, turkey berries, pepper, garden eggs, fresh tomatoes, and tomato paste. So in a clean pot, I'll add in my washed wheley, salted beef and pork, half onion, and my vegetables. Add 1 cup of water to it and boil for at least 15 minutes. So I added in some meat because I want it to soften a little bit and also get rid of any salt from the pork and beef as well. So moving to the next stage, in a pan I'll add in my smoked fish, my tomato paste, and my half chopped onions. Add in 1 cup of water and steam for at least 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes of boiling my vegetables and meat, and it has really cooked very well. So I'll go ahead and steam my smoked fish. And so for this recipe, I'm going to add in the water I strained from the vegetables. I'm not going to throw it away yet. I added in because I want my soup to taste really good. So I'll go ahead and add in the rest of the meat, cover it up and steam for at least 15 minutes. So whilst I'm steaming the soup base, I'll go ahead and blend my vegetables, add 1 cup of water, and wait for 15 minutes before I'll add in this. I will be enjoying this soup with tofu, so I'll add in my prekese for flavor, garden eggs, okro, and green chili pepper. So as you can see, my soup base has really steamed very well, so I'll go ahead and add in my blended vegetables, a little bit of water, and add in the rest of my ingredients as my okra and garden egg. Stir gently and leave it to cook very well for at least 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes and our soup has really cooked very well. It's almost done. So I'll go ahead and add in my green chili pepper for flavor. Yeah, just for flavor. It's not going to add in any taste, just for flavor. So you can omit this stage, it's optional. So remember, I've not added in any salt to it. It's because of the salted beef and pork. So I'll now check in for salt and add in half or 1 tablespoon of salt to taste. And please, if you want more of this video, please show me some love by subscribing to my channel and click on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. After adding in the salt, I will leave it for additional 10 minutes for it to cook very well. So our dry fish light soup is ready. I'm going to enjoy this soup with some fufu. Trust me, this soup tastes really good. I really enjoyed myself eating this soup. Thank you for watching today's video. Please click on the post notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and stay blessed.